So what exactly is cryptocurrency and why is everyone talking about it? Let's break it down. Cryptocurrency is the digital currency that's shaking up the financial world, but what does that really mean? At its core, cryptocurrency is an online, decentralized currency that operates on technology called blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This is blockchain at work. Unlike traditional money, cryptocurrencies aren't issued by governments or central banks, making them immune to political influence or economic turmoil. Now, you might be wondering how these coins have real value. Well, their worth is driven by supply and demand, similar to stocks or commodities, and the more people believe in them, the more valuable they become. Think of Bitcoin, the pioneer of crypto. Many view it as digital gold since it has a capped supply of 21 million coins. But Bitcoin isn't the only player in the game. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies available today, like Ethereum, which expands on Bitcoin's foundation by allowing users to create smart contracts, self-executing contracts with coded terms. This paves the way for decentralized applications to flourish, reshaping how we interact online. Now, while crypto offers enticing opportunities, it also comes with risks. The market can be incredibly volatile, prices can swing wildly, and security is paramount. After all, digital theft is very real in this space. To dip your toes into cryptocurrency, you can start by creating a digital wallet to store your coins securely. Many people buy their crypto through exchanges, where you can trade traditional money for cryptocurrency. But remember, it's crucial to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. As the world continues to embrace this digital frontier, understanding cryptocurrency could open up new financial avenues for you. Whether you want to invest, trade, or simply learn, the key is to stay informed and engage with the community. What are your thoughts on cryptocurrency? Are you thinking of investing or just curious? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this.